Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel OhhSoPaige. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button just so that you can continue to see new content from me for different hair videos and hair reviews. I have a lot coming up. So the products that I use to lighten my hair is Wella Colorcharm. That's the bleach product I prefer. You get it from your local Sally's. I use a 20 volume developer, and then you just need like a mixing bowl and some gloves. So you can go ahead and follow the directions on the actual bleach kit that tells you how to measure it out. I honestly just eyeball it. I've been bleaching my hair and bleaching weave for a long time now. So I really just eyeball it until I see that it is at a creamy consistency. Not too runny, but not too thick. Okay, so before we get into this video, I just want to give you my disclaimer. I am not a beautician. I did not go to cosmetology school. I'm just letting you guys know what processes I use and that I go through to lighten my hair. Okay, so now that you have that all mixed up, you're going to go ahead and apply that product to your hair. I've already started one section, so I'm going to show you this second section that I did. So I just go ahead and put it on the roots. I don't put it on any of the blonde parts yet because that part is going to turn fast since it's already lighter than my actual roots. I don't go all the way down to the scalp just yet because that's where your hair is more warm, if that makes sense. So it turns way faster if you put it on your roots first. And that's what I did the last time I dyed my hair, which is why it came out more of an orangey golden color when I finished. So I fixed that this time when I dyed my hair. Make sure that you evenly coat both sides of the hair. You don't want to miss any strands and have inconsistent colors throughout. It can get pretty messy, so like if you mess up and you go further down than you are supposed to, it's okay because it's all gonna get dyed anyway. So don't like freak out if you see that it gets kind of messy, because I'm pretty messy when it comes to bleach. I'm just like in a hurry and just ready to get it done. Okay, so now that I've finished coating all parts of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and get this conditioning cap and let my hair sit for about 20 minutes before I come back in and add bleach to my roots. So as you can see, after 20 minutes, my hair is already pretty much lightened up a decent amount. And my roots are starting to match the blonde hair that I spoke of earlier that I said wait before coating that. So I'm going to go ahead and do my roots as well as the blonde pieces that I want to be lighter. Now, another thing that I want to let you know, because bleach is white, when it's on your hair, sometimes it may seem like your hair is lighter than it actually is. So you just want to test a couple of strands out to see how fast your hair turns, because there's been plenty of times where I've been like, oh my gosh, this is so blonde, let me hurry up and wash it out, and then it's still like orangish. So you just have to really pay attention to your hair and just look at different texture strands. Like you can scrape a little bleach off to see if underneath all of the white bleach, if it's actually the color that you're wanting, or if it's still just a little bit dark but it's covered up by that white bleach. And I'm just smoothing all that bleach in just to make sure I'm coating every strand of hair. And I'm going to go ahead and put my conditioning cap back on and sit for another 20 minutes after this. So now it looks as if my hair is at the desired color that I would like. I'm just going through to make sure that I don't see any problematic roots or anything like that that might need a little bit more time or a little bit more bleach. And everything looks fine. So I'm going to go ahead and just shampoo this out. So after shampooing all of the bleach out of my hair, as you can see, I still have curls, so my hair is not damaged. But the hair does have yellow tones as well as orange hues to it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and tone it. The toner that I like to use is Wella Colorcharm as well. This is T14. It's like a pale ash blonde color. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. It tells you 1 part toner with 2 parts developer. So I just go ahead and pour the whole bottle of toner into the bowl, and then I just fill up that toner bottle twice to get the exact measurement for that. Now you guys, let me go ahead and let you know that I have a love-hate relationship with toner, because it is just like so hard for me to like do it perfectly. Like, it's never perfect for me. The bottle tells you 30 minutes. I've watched different, videos of people toning their hair, and they actually go to 30 minutes. I cannot go 30 minutes with toner on my hair. After bleaching my hair, the porosity is low. So you really have to eyeball your hair yourself and see how fast it turns, because if you leave their toner on there too long, it will definitely turn your hair purple, definitely turn your hair gray. So that is something that you do not want. I have been scared multiple times from that, but I do have a little trick and a little tip that you can use if you overtone your hair. So I didn't show it here what to do when your hair is overtoned, but I would definitely just give you the instructions. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is mix lemon juice with whatever conditioner that you're using, and that will get rid of any of the overtoned colors. So it'll take away the purple, it'll take away the silver, it'll take away the gray. All you have to do is add that lemon juice, put on like a conditioning cap, and let that sit for like 30 minutes, and it will take care of any overtone looks. And I only use 1 bottle of toner, and as you can see, I still had some product left in the bottom of my bowl that I didn't use all of my toner. So usually when I dye my hair, I just pick up like a conditioning packet at the front counter of the beauty supply store, and I picked up one that I've used before. This is a henna and placenta. It does a pretty good job with deep conditioning for me. They say placenta is really good for you as far as your hair and stuff. So it did a good job deep conditioning my hair and bringing it back to luster and shine. And that's literally it, guys. So all you have to do is go ahead and style your hair to the desired look that you want, and you're done. This look will be in my next video, so just stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button, like I said, just so that you don't miss that video, you guys, and I'll see you next time.